Okay student, I hope you understand that oxidation reaction of the ammonia combustion property with oxygen and with oxygen, without catalyst and with catalyst. Now the next one, that is a reduction property of the reduction property. So first the reduction property, reduction reaction. Now what is the reduction reaction? Reduction reaction, which means that addition of the hydrogen, that is called a reduction reaction. So here we are doing the reduction reaction with the chlorine gas. So the reduction of the chlorine gas. So in reduction of the chlorine gas, which means in addition of the hydrogen in chlorine gas. So we'll take because of the ammonia is a strong reducing agent. Remember student, ammonia is a strong reducing agent. This is a strong reducing agent. Ammonia is a strong reducing agent. When ammonia is react with the excess of, which means that higher amount of the chlorine, the ammonia amount is less but the chlorine gas amount will be more. So the excess of the chlorine chlorine gas is react and convert into the HCl and NCl3, which is a nitrogen trichloride. This is NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. This is a liquid. Yellow color liquid it is. So okay, so this yellow color liquid will be formed. Remember, very important reaction for the reduction reaction. What is the reduction reaction? Addition of the hydrogen. So here in a chlorine gas, hydrogen is added, so through that it form a hydrochloric acid. So when the ammonia is react with the in excess amount of the chlorine gas, it react with the HCl gas and form a liquid, yellow color liquid, nitrogen trioxide. Got it? I hope you understand this. Now the second reaction is that if we take excess of ammonia and less amount of the chlorine, here what we have, take excess of chlorine gas. Now here the excess of ammonia. So if we take excess of ammonia gas instead of the excess of chlorine gas, so what the product will be formed? Here the product will be formed, that is this ammonia react with the chlorine, excess of ammonia, it will convert into the ammonium chloride and nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas, which is yellow color or reddish brown, we can say yellow color. So yellow color gas will be formed, and this is a dense white fumes. Dense white fumes will be generated in this reaction, ammonium chloride. Now I'll explain you this reaction step by step. First, what we can see this, that ammonia when react with the excess ammonia when react with the chlorine gas, first initial state is convert into the HCl gas and nitrogen. HCl gas and nitrogen gas will be formed. Now this HCl gas further react with the ammonia, because the ammonia we are taking in excess amount, so the remaining ammonia gas is react with the HCl gas, and one more time it will react and convert into the this 6NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. Okay, so there are two steps, step number 1 and step number 2. In step number 1, what reaction happened? The same reaction just we done before here, but instead of the NCl3, here the N2 gas will be produced. So the ammonia gas react with the chlorine, excess of ammonia gas react with the chlorine, convert into the HCl and N2 gas, which is yellow in color, and this HCl is further react with the ammonia gas and convert into the ammonium chloride, which is a dense white in color. Dense white fumes will be developed and the yellow color gas will be produced. Okay, now how I did, so I both the reaction number 1 and reaction number 2, I add this reaction. I add both the reactions. So what happened there? This H 2NH3 plus 6NH3, which means 8NH3 it will become. 2NH3, okay, 2NH3 plus 6NH3. So it become 8NH3. Got it? Then 3Cl2, that I wrote here 3Cl2 as it is. Okay, this is this side of the arrow. Okay, so this we have used. Okay, we wrote here 2 plus 6, 8NH3. This is both are common, so we add both of them, that's why this. Now 3Cl2 as it is, but here 6HCl on this side, left side of the arrow, and in other reaction 6HCl is the right hand side of the arrow, so both we can cut. It will be cut. like this, okay, because it is a left side of the arrow and this one is a right side of the arrow. If we take this side, so it become negative, so the positive and negative will be the afterwards 0, so that's HCl will be cut. Now the 6NH4Cl, so 6NH4Cl as it is an N2 gas. So the end of the reactions after step number 1, step number 2, the main reaction will develop, that is 8NH3 excess react with the 3 chlorine, convert into the 6NH4Cl plus N2 gas. Okay. So very important reduction reaction, 2 reaction you have to remember, both the reaction are important. If we are taking excess of chlorine, then this product will be formed, and if we take ammonia excess, then this product will be formed, ammonium chloride. Okay, here hydrochloric acid and here ammonium chloride will be formed. I hope you understand this. Now the another reduction reaction with the metal oxide, that we will do in a next class. Still you have finding any difficulty in this reaction, so you read from your textbook, and then also you cannot able to understand, then ask me after watching this video.